Oh no, being says, don't worry, we're becoming a beautiful salad.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my mini kitchen. Today we're making a fresh and colorful grilled chicken veggie salad. Let's get started. Let's prepare our fresh veggies.
Look at these beautiful colors.
This grilled chicken makes everything delicious. Now the magic, our homemade dressing.
Mix, mix, mix. Perfect!
Our fresh grilled chicken veggie salad is ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mini cooking magic.